Thank you everyone. Easy. Yeah, thank you. Really fun. This is Meal Maker. 3 ingredients, my brain, your meal. Butter beans, tomato paste, and sourdough. We are going to use the tomato paste like an intense umami bomb. Bake the sourdough into like sourdough crostini. We're going to rub it with garlic once it comes out. We're going to make a whipped butterbean spread or shmear in your food processor with some garlic, which you've baked along with the bread so that it's a little bit softened, bit of olive oil in there. And the tomato paste you could probably put on the bread as it bakes. The thing with tomato paste that I think some people forget is that you do need to cook out the rawness. So you could add tomato paste into the butterbean shmear, but that would be entry level. If you want to go pro, you've got to put the tomato paste on the bread, bake it in there, it'll turn like this burnt umber shade and it'll just add that extra savoury kick that makes this a real hit. If you're after some meal maker magic, come into the Good Guys for all your meal making needs.